gonna be blowing your mind.
What?
Mag-set up na si Sam.
Hey, Sam, no. Okay, Sam?
What?
You wanna see what I'm playing now? Look at my Apple TV.
Where's your Apple TV? That's the Hans G.
Wait. What's wrong?
May glitch si Steve Jobs.
Ako, kanya ko.
Oh, mirroring. There you go.
Not charging!
That is doing something.
Sam,
Not
Mm.
charging!
so whatever I'm doing, for example, Facebook.
So you can Facebook.
And not just that, look at this. Let's say I'm gonna watch something in YouTube. Oh, for example, this is my favorite. Ba't yung sound nandito naman? Well, please, turn off mo yan.
Hindi kasi radio search yung ano. Pag di nakalagin.
Pati orientation, Jack, when you're using it sideways. So when you're gonna do it sideways.
Daddy, show the piano that I
Oh.
download.
And the best part of the... Riz, can I...
Ano yan?
So, kinarn off ka na.
Turn off mo ba?
Oh, excuse me, Riz. Ano yung talk mo?
Where's the best part?
The best part, when you're playing,
Mhm.
playing a movie or a music, anything,
Sino tanggal ng HD racing ko?
So what's the best part, Reese?
at the YouTube or movies,
Mhm.
can
Saan ko
still
nakakonect
use.
na?
Also, when you turn it off, can still use. But
Wow.
not when on
Ba't
mirror.
ganun? Hindi siya maka... ano?
Cannot.
Mhm.
Only an at TV
Kaya
mirror
pala
off.
living room.
So that's an App TV. Wow.
Apple TV.
Apple TV.
Ayan yung riregalo ko dapat sa isang na hindi pa available dapat. Ayan na.
O, di regalo mo na sa akin, Jack.
Global na yan.
Hey,
So what does that do? So that is your iPad. And you're playing.
That is using my iPad.
So. Mm.
sorry, Sam. Sam, look.
Yeah.
Now, gusto mo itong nasa iPad Pro?
That's the circuit, right?
So this is my steering wheel.
Kaya pala hindi mo na inuupuan yung nandun eh. So ito yung ireregalo mo sa akin, Jack.
Pwede, ako si...
I mean, the whole set and including that one. It won't work without all those gadgets.
No, just Apple TV. Ito sa mga maganda dyan. For example, I'm gonna go here or watch a movie. Anong movie nandito, Liz?
Rapunzel.
No, only Cars 2
Ano tawag doon? Movies ba, mami? O videos?
videos. But Cars 2 only.
It's okay.
I only have Cars 2.